Hi there, students. To secrete, a verb. Okay, we use this word with two completely different meanings. Firstly, to secrete. This means to produce and release a liquid from a gland or something like this. So when you see food, your mouth secretes saliva. Yeah, your mouth starts to water. Yeah, it's to produce a liquid from a gland or something like that. To generate and release a substance from a cell. So different organs in your body secrete different hormones. Yeah, your pituitary gland secretes various different hormones. Okay, so to secrete, to extract something from your blood and produce it, to exude, to yield. So, for example, latex. Latex comes from a tree, and you cut the surface, and it secretes, it gives off, it exudes a sap, which is then made into latex. The other meaning of to secrete, it's a formal way of saying to hide. So I secreted my money in a safe place. Yeah, it's to hide something, to conceal, to put something somewhere where nobody can find it. Yeah, to cache, if you like. Okay, so to secrete, to put in a hiding place. And then to secrete, to discharge. So I guess when you cry, your eyes, or the glands in your eyes, they secrete tears to give out, to discharge a substance, particularly from specialized glands in your body. Okay, and that's the idea, to exude, to ooze out. Yeah, and then to secrete, to hide, to conceal, to stash, to bury. Yeah, the customs officer searched me to see if I had anything secreted about my person. Notice this use of the verb to secrete. This is pretty formal. Yeah, it's a formal meaning of to hide. The money had been secreted in a bank account that was designed to be impossible to hide. I guess you can also use this verb to secrete, meaning to take secretly, to steal secretly. He secreted my money. He secreted money from my account. I think that's probably even more unusual. Yeah. But most commonly, when you sweat, your body secretes water. It gives off, it emits, it emanates, it exudes. And then you secrete something where nobody can find it. Yeah, he stashed his wallet under the mattress. Yeah, to conceal, to hide, but a very formal version of it. And then this secrete, it comes from or it's related to the noun a secretion. It's something that comes out, particularly a liquid. So, for example, there are nurse bees in a beehive that secrete the royal jelly. And then other bees take this and they feed it to the larvae of the bees. Okay, so it's something that comes out. Okay, so formality. To secrete a liquid, to secrete pus, for example. Formality. It sounds really rather biological, medical physiology. I'm going to give it a 6.5. Use it in a semi-formal conversation in above. I think to give out, to produce. Yeah, something like that. And to secrete, meaning to hide or to seal, this sounds very formal and very literary. I think I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal writing or above. I think it sounds a bit too formal for a semi-formal conversation. Sounds literary, poetic. No, I wouldn't use it even in a semi-formal conversation. And then as to origin, okay, to secrete a liquid, from Latin, secretus, meaning to separated. And then to secrete, to hide, this comes from the word secret. Yeah, which comes from Latin secretus, hidden. Yeah, secerno, to separate, to set aside. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Don't secrete yourself in a hidden place.